we'll go back. This is the part 2 of welcome. Hey gamers, welcome to part 2 of airplane. No. Yes, I got it. Okay, there's only 3 of us will survive. So, both of us survive. Okay, so the previous one, I lost control of it. Well, this is the part 2 of, this is gonna be part 2. And I oop. Oh my god. And I oop. You oop. No, I hope I don't have the bomb. Is it the girl or me? Oh, it's the girl! Oh no! It's the girl! Don't worry. Follow me. 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 Okay, I'm just trying to help this girl. So that way she can know how to be. Scissors. Which cable should I cut? I will cut the red cable. Oh, yay! We did it. Okay, also, I played already. I'm gonna say, try to get this ending. Try to get this ending. Okay. Find them. They're unconscious. They're unconscious. We need to alert the captain. Quickly. Get to the captain's room. Come on. Reach there. Oh my god. It's locked. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. I said this door needs a code. Guys, just ignore that. I was just taking a drink. It's the monster. Actually, it's me. That's me. Guys, that's me. But when I turn to a monster, she's gonna think I'm her. She's gonna think that's me. That's gonna be me. That's gonna be me later. It's gonna be me after this. You'll think you're on here on actually but you're not. I brought you here. All of you. That's not impossible. That's not impossible. Oh my god. It is. And now it's time to die. See you in the afterlife. Is it just me? Okay, the girl's still here. Captain's unconscious. Captain is unconscious. This is not a real plane. This is not even a plane. This is not even a real plane. This plane is shaped wrong. I need to find the autopilot button. Click everything and find that button before you die. Help me, girl. Clicking everything. Come on, it has to be over here somewhere. Oh, I found it! We did it! We saved the plane! It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Okay, so this is the part where I start becoming the monster. No, I'm just saying it on my recording. Oh! Oh yeah! Baby! Now it's time to kill you! Yes! Oh yeah, baby! I killed everybody! I killed everybody! Guys, this is what happens if you become the monster and kill everybody. I'm just the only one in this plane. Let's go take down the captain. So this is what happens if you buy the monster game pass. You guys will never take me down. Ha ha ha. Free claws. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Their souls are mine. Wah ha 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 ha. Alright, guys. Alright. Oh yeah, baby. Their souls are mine. Wah ha 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 ha. Alrighty, guys. So that's the monster ending. It says victory, but it actually makes you win if you do this. Game doesn't keep going if you kill everybody. So this is what happens if you become the monster. Alright, since we have more time, I'm just gonna tell you guys to be sure. So these guys are everybody's coming. So I'm just gonna tell you guys, I'm a YouTuber. I am a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. I'm just trying to tell these guys so that they would know. Alright, so when this reaches 10, I'll end off the video. So let's just chat with these guys, making sure they're coming over to me. Okay. So actually, guys, these YouTubers, well, guys, that was the monster game pass that I spent for 500 robux. So I'm gonna tell you guys, if you want to talk to me, I'm a YouTuber. I am a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. Airplane click to play. Airplane 2 click to play. So I'm just telling these guys to let them know. Well, guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe. I'm just gonna hang out with these guys until this hits 6. So these guys are excited to hear about me. Look at all these guys. They said hi. Some people said hi. So let's just tell these guys, I am a YouTuber. So then the new ones will know I'm a YouTuber, everybody. Alright. So let's just hang out with these guys. Oh yeah, baby. So I'm just telling these guys I'm a YouTuber. So then they will know. Hello there, guys. What? Okay. I am a YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. So I just said it like, so these guys are trying to look out to see who these guys are. Alright guys. So that's it for, that was the monster ending. If you guys enjoyed it, smash that like button and subscribe. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye, everybody.